Hello all, welcome to Wise Beacon. A cave is a natural underground hollow space. It is specifically a space large enough for a human to enter. They are natural and sometimes can be man-made too. Mostly the caves we came to know about has markings inside about early humans and their lifestyle. But in this video, we are going to discuss about Kittum caves, which is either not man-made or naturally formed rather by a different unexpected animal. Let's get into the video to find out about the same. The Kittum Cave is found in Mount Elgon National Park. This park lies on the border of Kenya and Uganda and can be accessed from either country. Mount Elgon is the 8th highest mountain in Africa and an extinct volcano. It was made through the cooling of lava that erupted from the volcano many years ago, and this is in fact how Kittum Cave was also formed. There are quite a few caves on Mount Elgon, and the Kittum Cave is by far the most famous one. It extends about 700 feet into the mountain, and its walls are rich in salt and covered with strange markings that were mysterious to those who first entered it. What are those markings on the cave by the strange animal signify? When the Kittim Cave was first discovered, all the markings along its walls were thought to have been the work of ancient tribes picking away in the search of valuable stones, such as gold or diamonds. But to everyone's surprise, the cave had minerals far less valuable than gold or diamonds. Each night, for about hundreds or possibly thousands of years, animals have traveled into the cave in the dead of night to get salt found in the cave. Buffaloes, antelopes, leopards, hyenas, and most of all elephants have used Kittum Cave to get the taste of the salt in the cave for generations. So, it is concluded that the mining was not done by ancient tribes, rather by animals in the park, and the elephants are responsible for the majority of it. It is believed that the elephants that have done the digging into the cave, using their massive tusks, the elephants crack off large pieces of the walls and crumble them to get to the salt. Over the centuries, this has resulted in the noticeable increase in the size of the cave as well as walls that are covered in tusk marks. Hearing all these stories, several explorers started to explore the cave. Like a proverb being said, curiosity killed the cat, there was a danger waiting inside the cave for the explorers. The Kittum Cave is more recently famous for a very different sort of life form, a deadly virus. In the year 1980 and again in 1987, visitors to the cave contracted Marburg virus, a deadly virus similar to Ebola virus. It's been suspected that fruit bats living in the cave are majority reservoir of the virus. Their saliva are thought to be the carrier of the disease to the mankind. However, point to be noted that no animals entering into the cave are affected. Around 250 people who had contracted Marburg virus during the year 2004 to 2005 outbreak in Angola, 227 people have died. Well, to sum it up, Kittum Cave is a place where evil lurks. Well, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please give likes, comments and dislikes, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See ya.